we're going to be opening a library of things. The other wall, I think, is the one that needs a little bit more attention.
Yes,
Library of Things, for people who haven't heard of them, is a place a bit like a book library, but instead of borrowing books, you borrow things, stuff, household items that you might only need once or twice, but instead of having to race out and buy them, you can borrow them instead. We'll pull out these colours then with a painting scheme as well.
Yes.
And there's the roof to do something, the ceilings to do something with. They generally run on people donating items, so if you've got something at home that you haven't used very often, you don't need anymore, it's taking up space, then you can come along, drop it off with us. We will test it if it's electrical, make sure it's in good working order, and then put that into the library, and then somebody else can actually benefit from borrowing it, which will save them money, saves the environment, saves things going to landfill.
O'n i ddim yn clynhau tails fan hyn, achos taw hen cigydd oedd y siop yn reiddiol, cyn bod yn siop papurau newydd. A ni wedi ffeindio'r tails anhygoel yma, sydd efallai yn mynd nôl i, oedd rhywun yn gweithio ni, efallai 1930. A teulu talus oedd yn berchen y cigydd yma. Mae lot o bobl wedi bod yn dod mewn yn siarad am atgofion nhw o'r siop fel cigydd. Sydd yn gret, really. Mae pobl yn really hapus i ail gweld the tails ma eto.
It's a really, really great thing to do, and it's only what people used to do years and years ago. You would borrow from your community. You know, you wouldn't necessarily race out and buy it. Somebody somewhere would be able to loan it to you. So it's literally just going back to that, really. And library things are popping up all over the place. What we're trying to do in here is obviously using donated or recycled kind of stuff. All the developments, everything that's been happening will go on to social media, so make sure you follow the Burlham page and Ynni Sir Gâr, and that will keep you posted of everything that's going on. If the door is open, you're always welcome to pop in as well. We've yet to really sort of opening hours officially, but if the door is open, please come on in. We've got a great lady who's starting at the end of May, who's going to be coordinating the Library of Things. She's called Helen. She's a Welsh speaker, and she's originally from the area anyway, so she's kind of coming back here. She's really excited to be coming to run and set up the Library of Things. She's worked in one previously, so she knows the benefits, and she's really looking forward to coming and working in Llanymddyfri. And like I say, setting it up. She's done a lot of community work as well, so she'll be a great asset to Ynni Sir Gâr and to Llanymddyfri.